Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a media player in GTA 5. First, make sure your game is fully updated to access all features. Next, find the User Music folder inside your GTA 5 installation directory. This is usually in your Documents folder or the game's main installation path. Once you've found it, simply drag and drop your favorite audio files, such as MP3, directly into this folder. This prepares your custom music for in-game playback. Now, launch Grand Theft Auto 5 and head straight into the game's main settings. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Audio tab. This section controls all sound and music within the game. Look for an option to perform quick scan for user music. Clicking this will prompt the game to find and load the audio files you placed in the User Music folder. This step is crucial for your custom tracks to appear in the game. Once your music is scanned, hop into any vehicle in the game. As you drive, cycle through the radio stations until you find Self Radio. This is your custom station, playing the tracks you added. You can further customize your listening experience by going back to the audio settings. Here, you can choose between sequential playback or a random shuffle of your songs. Enjoy cruising Los Santos with your personalized soundtrack. If your music isn't playing, first check that your audio files are compatible formats, like MP3 or WAV. Also, keep file names simple, avoiding special characters or overly long titles, which can sometimes cause issues. Remember, the game needs to recognize these files easily. For other great deals and to learn more about bringing your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description. Enjoy your custom music in GTA 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.